Welcome to the channel. To the new people out there. Anyways, I got to figure out what's going on with the dash cam. I want it working. It's supposed to catch people at night on motion. It's not working. There's no power going to it, or it's not turning on. So I got to figure out what's going on. Can't be broken because I haven't used it. Car's been parked for, I would say, a good 5 years. So I got to track down the wiring, what's going on with this damn thing. Let's move this sleeping bag so you can get in there. Oh boy, what a mess. I'm not used to this. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on in there. I gotta move this charger. Not charger. Power pack. Let's see what's going on. It's in here. Someone unplugged it. I think it might have been BMW that unplugged it. That's why it's not working. I would have caught that guy that opened my door at 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh man. I gotta find constant power. Can't remember which one it is. And I know I do have testers for it. I just don't know where they are in this mess. Okay. Anyways, now we know the issue. Sweet. Got it to work. She's working now. Now I'll catch whoever plays around the car at night. Motion activity at night. Sweet. Now I just got to program it to my phone so I can download stuff. Hey, she's working. At least now we get, if something happens, I could even upload pictures of the person. Not funny, man. I don't have use for crooks. A little story when I was able to work just before I sold the house. I had my van broken into. Over $5,000 worth of tools stolen. It wasn't funny, and I didn't have insurance on those tools because my insurance I was quoted at the time was over $10,000 per year for my tools, because my tools are all specialized for my trade. So not funny. Not only the tools they stole, the damage they done to the vehicle. It was a 2003 Dodge Ram. They stopped producing them in 2003. That was the last year they produced them. 12 years later, when they broke my side window, I was lucky I was able to find one in all Ottawa at that time. Anyways, that's another story. All right, catch you on the flip side.